day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Well, I want to talk about Skillibeng and Trinidad and the seven crew or gang or whatever. We don't even know what to call them. But I noticed Skillibeng went to Trinidad and he did his Whap Whap video featuring one of the TRINIBAD artists them. And you see them a throw up the seven sign and them thing there. You see from you looking at the video, you see Sunday and you see some really notable people in the video. And Sunday them linked with Prezi, that's Prezi cousin. And they are so quote unquote businessman. But that crew is a very serious crew. That's all I'm saying. You have Sunday big up in it on the hillside. You understand? And that's very concerning to me. Well, this video is sort of a warning to Skillibeng. You understand? Because to Skillibeng, I'm a bad man, you know. To Skillibeng come from St. Thomas. You understand? And to Skillibeng, him not understand the dynamics at Trinidad. Him just see the whole heap of money and this and that and the gun them and this and that. And him kinda interject himself into the 16 and the 17. And I think that is wrong, just like old Squash came there and deal with the 16 and now the 6 split up, turned 7. So it's a little bit concerning to see Skillibeng in Trinidad throwing up gang signs and representing an actual gang where I kill off them one another. So to me, this is a warning to Skillibeng. Is not every money is good money. And all may I tell you, my youth, just be careful. Now, me know why him link with the 7, you know. I'm never talk about that in another video. But Skillibeng, you don't know what's going on in Trinidad. I know when you're there, you have your big bad bodyguard, Johnny Bravo, which is a damn good bodyguard. But remember, your bodyguard can't be with you 24/7, you know. And you interjecting yourself into these guys' politics, it can cause you problem. And it is not a good look. Notice from Rebel 6 dead. Squash not even go back at Trinidad. You understand? And you see Squash in our video where him there beat him, I do a show. With Johnny Bravo walking past stage. So all I'm saying is, Skillibeng, you must be careful and stop going like you're an idiot. If you make a money and you're my food, But No bother itch up. You understand? Just be careful. It no look good. And you shouldn't even assure the youths them this. Cause the youths them now, them see you there and boom. Them start gravitate to that. So Skillibeng, countryman, I warn you. And that's all me have to say. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. I'm out.